Hello everyone, this is Kalyan, having 5 plus experience in big data. Today I'll be going to sharing how to configure the Hadoop 2.x version in cluster mode and how to work with the high availability concept, and as well as part of the Hadoop interviews frequently asked questions also I'm going to be sharing it. So what is the major difference between the Hadoop 1.x version and Hadoop 2.x version the currently market is using it? In Hadoop 1.x version, we have a concept of HDFS and MapReduce. The HDFS level, we have a main drawback is we don't have a high availability. So we have a name node, data node, secondary name node concept. Name node is the primary one, and the secondary name node is the only backup for the metadata. It's like a every regular interval. So what is the problem with the Hadoop 1.x version is whenever the name node is down, primary name node is down, the secondary name node won't active as a active name node. Due to this functionality in real time, we'll be going to get a one small issue, like whenever the active name node is down, manually we have to trigger the one more name node to take the metadata from the secondary name node. This is not always good in real time. So to solve this problem, the latest version of the Hadoop is come with the answer is high availability. We can achieve this high availability in a two ways. How many ways we can achieve the high availability means the answer is like a two ways. So what are the two ways is Hadoop name node having high availability we can achieve with NFS concept, and Hadoop name node high availability we can achieve with the QJM concept. NFS is the network file system concept, mount pointing concept. Using the mount pointing concept, Hadoop introduced the one solution, and secondary solution is the QJM, Quorum General Node Manager, managing with the zookeeper cluster with the journal nodes. Today I am going to sharing like how it is going to work with the QJM concept as part of the this demo session. So prerequisite should be when you are going to form a cluster, more than one machine should be there, and first of all in all these machines you should be form a cluster with a network. So let me verify my machine. So if I see my system, one of the host name is Hadoop 1. Will I able to ping to my other systems also? Let me try it. I want to ping to Hadoop 2, able to ping. I want to ping to Hadoop 3, able to ping or not verified. So we are able to ping the three machines which I am going to form a cluster with the host name, and as well as I can able to ping with the IP address also. The primary requirement when you are going to form a Hadoop cluster, first you have to verify are you able to form a normal cluster with the internet with the host name and IP address or not. So I have verified it's going to work. Let's try with like a configuration wise, and I need to configure in all these three machines zookeeper, and as well as I have to install the Hadoop 2.x version. Currently in this machine it's already configured. Let me show you like how it is going to work out. So first thing we have to start the zookeeper. So how to start the zookeeper command is zk server.sh start ampersand. This command will start the zookeeper in your machine. So now the message I got like it just started. Is it really started or not? Verify with jps command. And similarly let's start with the other machine also, zookeeper. This is currently my host name is Hadoop 2. Command is zk server.sh start ampersand. So let's verify with JPS now. It started. Let's open one more node, and my host name is Hadoop 3, and start the zookeeper. The command is zk server.sh start ampersand. Now it is started. So the primary requirement is in all these three machines my zookeeper has to be started. So it is started. Let's switch to the primary node is the node 1. So let's start my Hadoop from the Hadoop 1 hostname, node 1 machine, and it is automatically starting the active name node, backup name node also. You can verify this all this information in the console. How to start the Hadoop generally is start all.sh. This command will ensure that as for my configuration, it has to start the data nodes, it has to start the name nodes, and in this use case we are not able to see the secondary name node because we are having a concept in the high availability. Because of that, you will only see like a backup name node, and I have configured the yarn concept in this cluster, so you will be able to see resource manager and corresponding one more process name called node manager. Let me verify all these process name by giving the start all command. Please verify the console messages, you'll get a more idea. So let's see this line starting name nodes on two machines. One is Hadoop 2 and other one is Hadoop 1. The message is also it is started or not, you can able to just check it. And similarly, Hadoop need to take care of one more process, it's like a data node. So it's also started like a data node at 3 machines. And to make the high availability the QJM concept, we have one thing is journal nodes. I have started the journal node in a 3 machines, that is Hadoop 1, Hadoop 2, Hadoop 3. You can see the corresponding log message. To ensure that like your name node is highly available, there is a failover concept with the ZK failover controllers. I have started in the Hadoop 2 and Hadoop 1, and this all belongs to the concept of like a HDFS with high availability. Now let's see the second part of the concept is map reduce level is yarn. Yarn is yet another resource negotiator. So what is the use of this one is next generation of map reduce to do the resource management. And currently I am starting the resource manager here, and after that I'll be going to starting in 3 places node manager. So hope you will see in all this mission is it running or not by verifying the GPS command. Let's clear the screen and we'll go with GPS. So my node 1 mission, I'm able to see name node, data node, node manager, core pair main, journal node, my failover controller. In the node 2 mission also, let's verify with GPS. So I'm able to see name node, data node, journal node, core pair main, failover, node manager. Let's see in the node 3 mission, node manager, data node, journal node, core pair main. We are not able to see name node here because we have triggered only 2 places the name node, that is in the Hadoop 1 mission and Hadoop 2 host missions only. Okay, right now I'm in the Hadoop 1 mission. So let's verify with the HDFS functionality first. So my Hadoop is running in name node is running 2 places, that is Hadoop 1 and other one is Hadoop 2. You can open the URL is http://hadoop1:50070 and other one is http://hadoop2:50070. Currently you can able to see my active name node and as well as like a standby name node. In which machine we are able to see active name node is the Hadoop 2, and in which machine we are able to see standby name node is the Hadoop 1. And both the places you can able to see my default RPC port is remote processor call port is so 8020 for internal communication with the Hadoop. Okay, so let's verify the functionalities one by one. So what is exactly high availability and what is active and standby name node? So high availability will ensure that like at any point of time your Hadoop name node is always available. So let's take the real-time scenario. Suppose I have only one name node is there, it's entirely maintaining the entire Hadoop cluster metadata. So what is the use of this metadata is information about your actual data is going to maintain. Whenever I want to access the actual data from Hadoop is I need to have metadata. So that is only maintained by the name node. So secondary name node is only a backup process, it's not the actual thing. So whenever the primary name node is down, if you don't have a primary name node backup as a standby, what is the problem is like your cluster entire operations are going to be stopping, so it's not good in a real time. So to solve this problem, Hadoop Codex version come with the high availability concept. We need two approaches. One is with the high availability with NFS, other one is high availability with the QJM. So currently what you are going to see in my machine is the QJM concept. So one is active, other one is standby. So we need to verify it like the real-time scenario, like at any point of time one system is down, other will becoming like active or not immediately. So for that, so the salient scenarios can be power failure, network failure, or system crash. Maybe like a process might be killed due to someone. So in all these scenarios, I'll just going to be take care like is it becoming like other one is like active or not. Currently, Hadoop 1 is the standby, Hadoop 2 is the active. So let's verify in the my terminals also. Instead of switching to all my tabs, let's me open all my systems in a one place only by set the titles. Say make it as a Hadoop 1. Let's give it this terminal is the Hadoop 2. Let's give this terminal name is the Hadoop 3. Let's connect to Hadoop 1, Hadoop 1 to Hadoop 2 using SH canal secure cell Hadoop 2. Okay, now I'm in Hadoop 2. Similarly, let's connect to SH Hadoop 3. Okay, I'm in Hadoop 3 now. So Hadoop 1, Hadoop 2, Hadoop 3 go by JPS is functionally giving the answers are not verified. Sorry. Now in all these missions you are able to see the slave process, data node, and the main process is the name node. And to maintain the metadata in high availability, we have a general node concept. General node in the first mission, second mission, and as well as third mission. We'll be having in all these three places also our general node process to maintain the metadata. So our use case will be whenever this active name node is shut down, or maybe any scenario, power failure or network failure, any scenario, other one should be becoming like a active. Currently my Hadoop 1 is the standby. I'm going to Hadoop 2 mission by using kill -9 PID. The process ID of name node is 3517. Let's give this. Now go by JPS. Now there is no name node here. So let's verify the functionality about in the browser in the Hadoop 1. It's immediately switched to the active. And what about this one is it accessible miss? No, because it's down. So in this scenario, as an admin has to verify the functionality, like is the name node both active and standby is running or not. If not, he has to make it active. Now how can I make it active is by giving a start all command. Will ensure that again it will start it also, nothing to worry about. I can give start all command at any other place also, any process down, this ensures that it's going to starting. If it is already started, it will get clear message like I already running it, you can see here. And now Hadoop 2 machine is not running it. Now I am going to starting it. Okay, let's verify the Hadoop 2 machine now. JPS, you can able to see name node. So if you see the previous name node, the process is different, this is one different. So that means like it's again started by my start all command. Let's open the browser of Hadoop 2 also. Now what is happened functional, you can verify it now. It's becoming as a standby. The concept here like only one person will be always active, other one will be in a standby only. The use will be like one active person is going to take all the request from the user, other one is only take care like being like a hot swap only. Now you can able to see one is active, other one is the standby. Let me show it here. This is 1 minute. Okay. Yeah, let's go to the next concept is like a data nodes. So I have configured 3 node cluster here. So Hadoop 1, Hadoop 2, Hadoop 3, 3 nodes are the active. So you want to browse your system means you have a utilities browse file system. Let's click on that file. I am browsing the file system. There is a path slash under this there are some files. Let me create some directories and play with some commands also. Okay, before I go with that, so I think everyone is hope you got the what is high availability. Whenever the one system is down, it's becoming like a other one is active. So assume it right now Hadoop 1 is the active. Suppose you want to make it down means you can go by kill command. Let me show you that one. JPS kill -9 3630. Now he is not there. So functionally you can verify it also. The Hadoop 2 will be coming as a active now. Okay. Let me start again now. Hadoop start all command. Now when he started again, he will be becoming like a standby. Okay, and suppose if I go to my active name node machine, if I disconnect my internet, now let's switch to active name node to passive name node, and this is a Hadoop 1 machine. Let's refresh it. Now here the failover concept is going to be taken now slowly. The active one is it's down. You're able to see it, and this is the place. Now standby is here. Okay, so the operation is not going to happening because like he is right now in a standby mode. That's it. Let me switch on again now. Now let's verify the functionality. Is that becoming like a standby, and what about the standby one active? So will you able to browse it means check it, you're able to browse it. So the functionality is like a whenever the network failures happen, the other one is becoming like a active, and when he come back he is also automatically becoming as a standby. This is what can happen when the power failure happen or network failure happen, or process might be killed, a system might be has. This is what like ensuring that like a high availability functionality. Let's make a note for like interview question here. The interview question is, can we make Hadoop is highly available? The answer is yes. Using Hadoop 1.x version or using Hadoop 2.x version? The answer is only with the Hadoop 2.x version. In Hadoop 1.x version, we don't have the high availability. So next question is, how many ways we can form the high availability in Hadoop 2.x version? The answer is 2 ways. We can form with the high availability with NFS, and other one is high availability with the QJM concept. So which is more reliable? The answer is which is more reliable answer is like a QJM concept, ensure like a automatically fail over it. So these interview questions will give you idea like what is the high availability concept. Hope you're enjoying it. Now let's switch to the other concept of Hadoop functionality. Let me /go. So I want to type one of the basic command is Hadoop command. So when I type Hadoop command, there are some options. I have it here. I want to go to FS means I can go for it. FS. The other commands are supported for the Hadoop file system commands. And what are the basic interview questions as part of Hadoop Todex version is, what is a block size in Hadoop? What is the block size in Hadoop? The answer is Hadoop 1.x version, the block size is 64 MB. In Hadoop Todex version, the block size is 128 MB. Is it correct or not? Let's verify it. -mkdir/demo. This command will ensure that creating a directory inside the HDFS with the folder is demo inside the slash. Let's check the functionality. We are able to see now there is a demo, and inside this I just want to create a one file, miss Hadoop fs -mkdir -demo test. Now it will create a one file inside the demo, that is what test. And what is the block size, you can verify it. And currently my replication value is 2A. So I hope you got the answer, like what is the block size in the Hadoop Todex version. The answer is like a 128 MB by default. And next interview question is, can we change the block size? The answer is yes, we can change the block size. Can we change the block size for existing file? The answer is no. So block size is only changed for the new files, not for the existing files. You want to change the block size of 128 MB to 64 MB for this text file, means Hadoop won't allow that one. It's only the 120 MB going to become a 64 MB or 256 MB for only the new files, not for the existing files. This will be the very useful functionality. You have to observe it. And the next concept is like a replication. So what the interview question is like a, what is the replication factor in Hadoop by default? The answer is 3. Can we change this value? Answer is yes. It's for the existing file or maybe like a new file also we can set the replication value. And let's try with those things. Let me put some file from my local system to Hadoop. I have one file in my local system. It is a host and I want to move to HDFS. Copy to HDFS is in the demo folder. Let's verify it. So this is the file having like a 270 bytes and replication is 2 in my system and block size is 128 MB. Let's click on this. You can able to see where it is available also in Hadoop 1, Hadoop 2. It is saying yes, there are 2 data nodes is available. It's there in the block node. Okay, and let me show you some more functionality here. This is the new UI. Suppose you want to go for some old UI, you can go for it. This is the old UI you might be seeing in the older versions of the Hadoop. So suppose I want to verify the my browse file system is, I can go and browse it here in demo and host. You can see the data here, and this is the place you can able to see like in which machine I have my data. In 128 and 129, these two are the my Hadoop 1, Hadoop 2 machines actually. So can I increase my replication value? Yes, let's try that one. fs set rep fnw3 for the which file is hysts. Because maximum I have a 3 nodes in this cluster, I can make it like a replication max 3. Okay, so it's saying like it's completed. Let me verify the functionality correct or not. So it should be changed to 3. Yes, and when I click on this, I should be able to see 3 places, my 3 nodes, 1 2 3. Same information you can see in the new UI also. Sorry, click on which are the 3 places: Hadoop 1, Hadoop 2, Hadoop 3. So this is what the file information you can able to see in the latest version of the Hadoop UI. And similarly, if you want to go for like a decreasing this block, decreasing this replication value also, you can. Let me change the value to 321. This action may take time. Waiting time may be long for decreasing the number of replication. It's a warning. The reason is like it's not that much important to reduce it. So functionally what will happen, let's verify it. It's going to set as a 1 when I click on this. Right now 3 are there, but it is going to be slowly, it's going to be make it as a 0. So sorry, make it as a 1. So it's not an immediate action as you seen here actually. The reason is like a Hadoop will ensure that high availability and as well as like a reliability, scalability. These places like a reliability is the main factor. Decreasing the data is may not be always immediate, because like a decreasing is not ensure that like a reliability. So it's going to be slowly down, but it gives the answer for you 1 also. Let's try it. Still it's in progress, it's not completed. I think I can cut this for here, not a problem, because Hadoop knows all these actions background. It's going to take care also. Okay, so hope you got the answers related to. One is HDFS concept related block size, and other one is the replication. Can we increase it, can we decrease it? Means answer is yes. Okay, let me show you some more details here. You can browse your logs also, what is going to happening, same as like a 1.x version. So yeah, related logs. Let me check my resource manager. Okay, if you see here some problem it is saying for me in Hadoop 3.8031 binding cannot be assigned the request as it is saying it here. So it's some problem with the my resource manager. Let's verify it. GPS here, GPS here, GPS here. So you are able to see data node, column peer main, journal node. So which is you are missing like a resource manager concepts are missing here. Let me start again. Start instead of all, let's say yarn.sh. Let's verify is it really running or not. My resource manager is started. Here you can able to see node manager. Here you can able to see node manager. So let's open the and refresh it also. You can able to see some changes in this log also. Okay, so the next point is like let me open the browser. And what is a port for like your resource manager and node one? There is Hadoop 1 colon 8088, sorry, 8042. This is for your resource manager. And let's click on some more informations here. 3, it's not running it, it's saying it. Okay, so we have started here, but it is not running it. Let me verify my configurations. etc Hadoop yarn site.xml. what I have when we configured my resource manager. So I have configured my resource manager in the Hadoop 3 machine. Let me start from there. Start yarn.sh. Okay, let's see starting it, and let's try with the resource manager is running it or not. Yes, my resource manager is running it, and I can able to access my node managers also. Okay, so having some RAM and all these things allocation also. Let's try it. If my resource manager is running it, I can able to try with the my MapRedis functionality also. Let's try with that one. So I have some data here, and I can create some more data also in my local system. gedit demo input. So I will write some demo. I'm going to Hyderabad. I'm learning Hadoop course. Okay, let's put this data into Hadoop using the put command. Hadoop fs -put demo input into demo folder. Okay, and let's run the MapRedis algorithm on this data. Further job tracker continuously has to run. Let me verify it is running or not. Yes, it's running it. Okay, we have 3 active nodes also there. Let's try with that. So for that we have to go for Hadoop jar command. So Hadoop jar command need a jar file and a main class argument. So let me show you like where the jar might be available. Share Hadoop MapReduce having MapRedis examples. Let's try with this one. Jar, then path of the jar will be in my work directory Hadoop 2.6.0 share Hadoop MapReduce Hadoop examples jar. Okay, let's see, there are so many examples now here. I want to choose the basic example is like most of the people already knows that one is word count. A MapRedis program that counts the words in an input file. Let's try with this one. And for that I need to use the keyword is word count. Let's try it. And this need input or can be multiple inputs and one output. Let me give one of my input is demo input, and let's put the output is like a word count output in the demo folder. Let me run this word now. It has to run in a cluster environment. Okay, an application is submitted, mapper is completed. Let's go for reducer also. Okay, hope you can see now job is completed or not. By here the final status of my job is finish and succeeded. And go and verify the functionality in the demo folder. So you'll be able to see I2, AM2, course 1, going 1, Hadoop 1, landing 1, Hadoop 2. And this will be by default automatically replicated to 2 places. In which machine also you can also see like these 2 places. So this will give you an idea like when you're running in a cluster mode, like how it is going to running it also. So hope you enjoyed till here like a functionality about the Hadoop in 2x version, how it is going to working with the concept of HDFS and as well as yarn concept. So your node manager informations you want to know, it means you can go by your list of node managers and applications which might be running in this one also. The list of containers, the tools what you have it, some kind of metrics you want to know it also, you can go by check this metrics option also. So the main advantage from the Hadoop 2x version is like having like a special functionalities are available in the HDFS and as well as yarn concept. You want some more information from related to all these things, you can touch with me in Orinity in Hyderabad. And you want to go to any information related to my personal details also, so I have my website and as well as blog is there, you can go through there also. The videos and what I am going to take and all will be available in my YouTube also. You can type Kalyan space Hadoop in that to get all these videos in the YouTube also. And hope you're going to enjoying my sessions. And let's hold further session for this one, and I'll continue. The next part is like interview questions.